What are we doing? Okay. Bienvenidos a mi canal. My name is Alexis and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a hair video. I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair, or how I'm just going to do my hair on camera instead of doing my makeup. So
Okay. Yeah. Hey. You watching Alexa, she gon' have you looking fine. Bad little chick, she might be the next Rihanna. Style so crazy, she don't even need a stylist. Warm tone looks with the cut crease poppin'. Maybelline cover girl, maybe it's Milani. They try to ride the wave, but the wave a tsunami. I like good, it don't matter about the lighting. After the video, make sure you be subscribing. Yeah. You know?
alright, so a quick backstory. This is a U-part wig. So ever since like quarantine started, or lockdown, I wasn't able to get my hair done, so I just started doing it myself. And the way I achieved doing my hair myself was by putting on U-part wigs and using clip-in extensions. So today I'm doing a U-part wig. So if you don't know what a U-part wig is, it's whenever it's like a wig but it's cut out in a U. So you have your leave out at the top, and you can cover the tracks with your leave out. It's kind of similar to a traditional sew-in. Anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it, how I make it look cute, how I make it blend. I'm going to be using a curling wand and also a flat iron. Heat protectant, because I'm not trying to fry my leave out. I've been doing really good trying to keep it healthy, so I'm going to keep that up by using my spray. And this is by, I have no idea, I know it just says argan oil, but yeah. So I'm just going to spray this on here, and it takes a minute to dry because it comes out misty, so it really makes my hair like drenched. I'm going to show you the rest of the products that I'm going to be using. Well, materials. I'm not really using any products. I just use my brush, my dirty ratchet old brush that I've had since high school. Tail comb that I'm gonna use for my part, and I have a hair clip to clip everything out the way, and then I have a wide tooth comb which I use to comb out my leave out. Bio silk therapy. I think my hair is pretty dry. So what I do, I'm gonna do a part how I want it to lay. Like, I like my part kind of, I don't know, I can't explain it, I just do it. So I just make a part, and I'm not good at making parts at all, so I just kind of like do my own thing. I don't know if I want to. I do. Oh, get your light.
Don't care. No fry. This is smoking. You can't turn anything down?
I'm not frying my hair.
That's too hot. You're smoking like that, it's way too hot.
So I have straightened my leave out. Now I didn't want to, I was kind of debating whether I should put curls in the hair, because I kind of like the natural wavy got going on to it. I can't talk today. I kind of like that wavy little spill. I kind of like the wavy natural texture that it has after I wash it, because I just washed it last night. I kind of want curls because I just like to look put together, and this is more like laid back. I don't know though. Well, since I'm not going anywhere, I don't think it would be curl the rest of my hair. And I just hate, even when it's not on my actual hair, I just hate using heat because I don't know. Ugh. So I think I'm gonna leave like this. Like I kind of like it just messy, especially because I don't know. And this hair is like, it's thicker whenever it's just natural, like with no curls added to it or no heat. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm trying not to touch it too much because my hands are really oily, because I use a lot of oil-based products and my hair gets really greasy because I have to keep my hair moisturized so it doesn't dry out. So it always gets on this hair and then just gets weighed down and greasy, and so anyways, I think this is what I'm gonna do. So this video is probably pointless because I just took 2 seconds to straighten my hair. More information about this hair, I got it from Luvme hair. I really don't know what to say about it. It's a U-part, so like I said earlier, if you don't know what a U-part is, it's basically like a U-part wig. It's a wig, but it's cut out at the top in the shape of a U, so you can let your own hair out, like so it's like a sew-in but like wig that you can take off whenever you feel like it. So yeah, I used to wear those back in the day whenever I was like in high school. I will be going back to sew-ins, but I prefer sew-ins over wigs, period, because it's just so much easier. So yeah, so I'm gonna catch you guys later, hopefully in a better hair video. This is not what I was planning to do. I wanted to curl my hair, but I kind of like it this way. So I hope it was helpful for anyone that's still struggling, hasn't been able to get to their hairstylist or whoever, and needs something they can do easily if you have to do your own hair. So yeah, this is the perfect way to go. I highly recommend if you're into wigs. If you're not, you don't feel comfortable with wearing full wigs, I recommend using buying U-part wigs, so you can just like have your own part out and then part your hair. So it looks more natural than just like a full wig. I'm done talking, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you stay to the end, thank you so much, and don't forget to like this video, comment down below. Bye.